We had everything. Then one day you just got up and left. Said he's cool and got nicer teeth. I bet he's like a masterpiece. And I bet he's got a bigger cock, twice my height and built like a rock. I need to ditch all these intrusive thoughts. One more deep and I'm all out of love. But I'm not sad about it. It's clear that you're a scoundrel, but you were out of my league, and it's clear to see we were never meant to be. You asked me if I'd write a tune to tell you how much I love you. Then you went off with some dude. I didn't Taylor wrote a song about it. I hope he gives you all you want, 'cause I feel fucking miserable. You asked me if I'd write a tune, so I wrote one to say fuck you. I wish I knew what was coming next. I'm one wank away from having no sex. I think I'll put my heart to the test, and I'll find a yummy mummy who can break my heart next. But at least she'll buy me things. She's got financial capabilities. I'm due a new TV, so I think maybe she'll be the one for me. And I'll be proper proud about it. My friends will be so jealous of the yummy mummy special, but I won't be too loud about it. Shit, I'll keep it super proud.